This looks complicated, but it's actually very easy. Let's make it step by step, no scissors, no glue. Start with a rectangle sheet of paper, fold it into a triangle, then press it down firmly. Open it, and repeat the same steps on the other side. Open. Fold both sides to the crease and press firmly. Fold the rectangular tail section in half. Turn it back, fold up the tail fins. Fold into the triangle. Repeat with another side. Open it. Then bring both sides to the center crease. Turn over. Next, let's fold the wings. Do the same with another side. You're almost done. Keep going. You're doing great. Now, the final step. And here it is, your origami creation. Looks amazing, right?